Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or should I say this is my welcome back to this channel because I know many months have passed since I last posted my video. Even though मैं बहुत टाइम से कुछ पोस्ट नहीं कर रही थी, but I continued receiving your DMs asking for my advices, for my opinions and some suggestions from you guys regarding what next video I should post up. So before starting, I would like to wear my glasses because glasses पहनने वाले लोगों को दूसरे लोग काफी seriously लेते हैं and I want you to take me seriously when I say this. Please subscribe to this channel, yeah guys. Please don't skip this. Subscribe to this channel and meanwhile you do this, I'll remove my glasses. Done? So should we get started? So I decided to make a video on career opportunities for CAs in finance domain, particularly in investment banking. So because I work in investment bank, I would be able to tell more about investment banking only, right? So but it's not important for you to work in core finance company to work in finance domain. Now what do I mean by that? Now you can work in financial planning and analysis department of a company. For example, say Amazon. It is a non-finance company, but still, if you are working in its financial planning and analysis domain, you are working in the finance domain basically. And yeah, so that is what I meant. So now I'll be pivoting my direction to the investment banking, and I'll start with very basic. What is investment banking? मैं बहुत ही simple words में explain करूँगी. So, if you are in requirement of the funds, what do? You go approach your family, your friends, and in extreme cases, you visit banks and ask for personal loans, isn't it? अब अगर companies को funds की जरूरत है, तो companies क्या करेगी? That's when investment banks come into the picture. No. We don't give loans or funds to the companies. We act as an arranger or middleman between the company and the source from which it wants to raise the funds. अब कंपनीज को अलग अलग तरीके से फंड्स मिल सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कंपनीज को बैंक से लोन मिल सकता है, फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन से लोन मिल सकता है, कंपनी कैन रेज इक्विटी थ्रू आईपीओ, कंपनी कैन इशू बॉन्ड्स. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे तरीके हैं जो हम अपने करिकुलम में भी पढ़ते हैं, राइट? Now, investment banking is so vast because it involves all these things and many other things. For example, investment banks come into the picture when a company wants to buy another company or sell its subsidiary or sister concern or whatever. So basically, I'm talking about mergers and acquisitions. Investment banks again come into the picture when the company wants to raise funds in the form of equity, say IPO, in the form of debt. Now, debt again involves taking loan from the banks or issuing bonds to the public. इन सब के अलावा investment banking also involves valuations, due diligence. ये सारे terms बहुत ज़्यादा fancy लगते हैं and काम करने में भी trust me बहुत मजा आता है. So what I do in my company is, so basically my role is an associate in project advisory and structured finance. Now what does it actually mean? So we basically help companies to get loans from a syndicate of banks or from a consortium of banks. So every time a company wants to expand or take on a new project, और जब भी उनको funds की जरूरत होती है, they come to us, we give them financial advisory, we help them get the loans from the banks. एक टर्म शीट बनता है. सबसे पहले तो फाइनेंशियल मॉडल बनता है जहां वी स्टडी द वायबिलिटी ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट, देन वी मेक द टर्म शीट फॉर द कंपनी आफ्टर लॉट्स ऑफ डिस्कशंस, देन वी फाइनली अप्रोच द बैंक्स, वी नेगोशिएट द टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस एंड कन्विंस द बैंक्स टू गिव द लोन्स टू आवर क्लाइंट्स. So ये सुनने में बहुत ज़्यादा easy and simple लग रहा है, but trust me, there are lots of complexities involved and it does take a lot of time, sometimes months, sometimes years if lots of complexities are involved. And because funds लेने के लिए बहुत सारी regulatory authorities बीच में आ जाती है, laws and regulations बीच में आ जाता है, so investment banks ensure that जो भी laws and regulations are duly being followed in the process of arranging funds for the company. So for CAs specifically, skills like good presentation skills, good drafting skills, good Excel skills. If possible, go and learn financial modeling courses, guys. It is very basic when it comes to investment banking. Financial model बनाना बहुत ही important, and it acts like a first step, because वहीं से viability study होती है एक particular project की. So go and do these courses, enhance your Microsoft Office skills, and I think this is it. Because उसके अलावा टेक्निकल स्किल्स में तो हम अच्छे ही होते हैं, राइट. हाउ डू आई फाइंड इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग एज अ फील्ड? इट इज क्वाइट चैलेंजिंग. एवरी डे इज अ न्यू डे. यू डोंट डू द सेम टास्क एवरी डे, and I actually miss using standards on auditing, accounting standards. But then I wouldn't say investment banking is a boring job. In fact, you have to be prepared each day, and I think that's it. I would not speak more about it because I have just completed 7 months, and I think I would have to go through more experience to speak more about it, right? So this is it. If you like this video, please tell me your views in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel, and I'll be coming back with yet another video hopefully soon. Till then, bye bye. Thank you for listening, and my Instagram and my LinkedIn is always open for you. You can DM me for your queries, for your suggestions, and that's it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.